Welcome back to Grammar Grade 9. This is Unit 9, Lesson 62, and we're starting a run on usage, the little pairs of words that sound alike, look alike, and get mixed up all the time. Today, it's the first stretch of the alphabet, from A all the way to altogether. None of these are hard once you see the pattern, and by the end, you'll never second guess them again. Let's dig in. Our first pair is the smallest pair in English, a and an. The rule people remember is a before consonants, and before vowels. But that's not quite right. It's really about sound, not spelling. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound, a house, a garden. And here's the tricky one, a university. It's spelled with a U, a vowel, but you say university, which starts with a Y sound, a consonant sound, so it takes A. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound, an animal, an easy question. And watch these, an honor and an hour. Both are spelled with an H, but the H is silent, so the word actually opens with a vowel sound, and we reach for an. So trust your ear, not the first letter on the page. Next up, a lot. This one's simple, but people get it wrong constantly. A lot is always two words, a space lot. There is no such word as a lot. It simply doesn't exist, no matter how often you see it online. And a small style note. A lot is a bit casual, so in formal writing, you're usually better off with a more precise word, like many or much. Say many reasons instead of a lot of reasons. While we're here, notice a close cousin, a while versus a while. As two words, a while is a noun, a length of time, and it usually follows a preposition. Wait for a while. As one word, a while is an adverb, meaning for a time, and it stands on its own. Stay a while. Now a pair that trips up even careful writers, accept and accept. Accept with an A is a verb. It means to receive something or to agree to it. I accept your invitation. The committee accepted her proposal. Except with an EX is almost always a preposition, meaning but or leaving out. Everyone came except Sam. That is, everyone but Sam. Here's a memory hook that never fails. If you can receive it, you accept it. If you're leaving it out, it's accept. Receive it, accept. Leave it out, accept. Here's the classic mix-up, affect versus effect. Most of the time, affect with an A is a verb. It means to influence or to have an impact on. The rain affects my mood. Nothing seemed to affect her focus. Affect with an E is a noun. It's the result, the thing that happens because of a cause. The rain had a strong effect on the roads. A simple way to keep them straight. Affect starts with A, like action. It's the verb that acts on something. Affect starts with E, like end result. It's the outcome you're left with. Affect is the action. Effect is the end result. This next pair sounds identical out loud, but means two different things. Already as two words, and already as one. Already, two words, means completely ready, every part prepared. The team is all ready to go. You could even drop the all and say the team is ready. It still makes sense. Already, one word, is about time. It means by this point or before now. They have already left. So here's your test. If you can take out the word all and the sentence still works, you want the to word already. If it's about time, you want already. Our last pair works just like the one before. All together as two words and all together as one. All together, two words, means in a group, all in one place at the same time. We sang all together. And notice you can split it. We all sang together. All together, one word, is an adverb meaning completely or entirely. That's altogether different means it's completely different. So the same trick applies. If the people or things are gathered in one place, use the to word altogether. If you mean completely or entirely, use altogether as one word. Before we practice, let's pull it together. For a and an, let sound decide, not the spelling. A university, an honor. Remember the words that stay separate. A lot, already, and altogether are each two words when you mean the literal thing. And keep your verbs and nouns straight. If you can receive it, it's accept. If you mean a result, it's affect. In every one of these, a single letter or a single space changes the whole meaning, so it's worth slowing down. Let's try some together. Time to practice. In this first set, I'll show you a sentence with a blank and two choices. Read it, decide which word fits, and say it out loud before I reveal the answer. Pause whenever you need to. She was blank honest witness. A or an. The word honest begins with a silent H, so it actually opens with the vowel sound a. Before a vowel sound, we use an, so it's an honest witness. The answer is an. Please blank my apology. Accept or accept. We're asking someone to receive the apology, to take it. Receiving something is accept with an A. Accept would mean leaving out, which makes no sense here. So the answer is accept. The medicine had no blank. Effect or effect? We need a noun here, the thing the medicine produces, its result. The noun is effect with an E. Effect is the verb, so it doesn't fit. The answer is effect. Now for the spacing pairs. Each sentence has a blank and two choices that sound the same but split differently. Decide whether you need the one-word form or the two-word form and try it before I answer. Is everyone blank to begin? Already or already? We mean completely ready, fully prepared. That's the to-word, already. You could even drop the all and say, is everyone ready? And it still works. So the answer is already, two words. I have blank finished the book. Already or already? This one is about time. I finished it before now, by this point. That sense of time is the one word, already. So the answer is already. The result was blank, unexpected. Altogether or altogether? Here we mean completely, entirely unexpected. That sense of completely is the one word, altogether. Altogether would mean in a group, which doesn't fit. So the answer is altogether. Let's gather what we've learned. First, let your ear choose between a and an. It's the sound that matters, so we say a university, but an honor. And keep those two-word phrases apart from their one-word twins. A lot, already, and altogether. Each stay as two words when you mean them literally. Second, watch your verbs and nouns. Accept means to receive, while accept means leaving out. Affect is the verb that influences, while effect is the noun, the result. And finally, mind the spaces. Already means completely ready, but already means by this time. Altogether means in a group, but altogether means completely. Master these and a whole category of everyday mistakes simply disappears. I'll see you in the next lesson.